Folks, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a circle of given radius to touch two given circles of given centers. So in this case, we are drawing a circle of given radius to draw two circles of given centers. So basically, the first thing to do is to draw the two given circles of radius r and radius r. So basically, this circle is going to touch the required circle is going to touch two given circles of given centers, and this circle will include one circle and exclude the other. So basically, let's draw the two circles of radius. Let's say 2 and 3 centimeters respectively. So now we have 3 centimeters. We have a circle of 2 centimeters here. So this is the radius of 2 centimeters. This is the first circle, radius 2 centimeters. Then we have the second circle of radius 2. So this second circle will be radius 2, while the first will be radius 3. So this is the 2 centimeter radius circle. Now having done that, the next step is to the required circle. Assuming we have the required circle of a radius of let's say 7 centimeters. So okay, or we should use 5. So if we have a required circle of radius 5 centimeters, now the first thing to do is basically, so if the radius is 5 centimeters here, the first thing to do is we center A and radius. So this center A of the first circle, this first circle is center A, and the second circle is center B. So center A and the radius of the sum of the first circle and the required circle, which is 5. So we are going to say 3 of the first circle and the required circle, which is 5. That's 3 plus 5. That will be 8. So radius of 8 centimeters. We are going to describe an arc. So let's open to radius of 8 centimeters. Here we go. Here we go. We have radius of 8 centimeters. Now the next step, when you've done that, the next step is we're going to make use of these with center B and radius x minus r. Now this radius x minus r is going to be the difference between the radius of the given circle and the required circle. So the radius of the given circle here is 2 centimeters. The radius of the required circle is 5. So that's 5 minus 2, that's 3. So I'm going to look for the difference. The difference between them is 3. So the radius of this, the difference is 3. So now let's have this 3 right here. So let's open that, let's cut it. That's 3. So the intersection of this first and second, we are going to get there. Basically, next time we are going to open our radius to the let's say open your radius to this first circle. You can join the center of this first circle with the intersection. So let's join the first center of the first circle intersection. So now next, let's the centers with the intersection. So you can see that this circle is going to touch these two circles. So this is the circle. So this circle is touching the first circle and the second circle, and it is including the second circle too. So this has to draw a circle of a given radius to touch two circles and include one of them. Thanks for watching.